Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the June 2018 paper. We'll be solving the set C, which is the mathematical sciences paper. So let's start off with question number 68. In question number 68 it has been said that let alpha be equal to integration 0 to infinity dt by 1 by t square. Then which of the following statements are true? Option A1, d alpha by dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Option 2, alpha is a rational number. Option 3, log of alpha is equal to 1. And option 4, sine of alpha is equal to 1. So these are the four options. So we have been given that alpha is equal to integration 0 to infinity dt by 1 plus t square. And we know that this is nothing but tan inverse of t. And this will go from 0 to infinity. So this will give us tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse of 0. Now tan inverse of infinity is nothing but pi by 2 and tan inverse of 0 is equal to 0. So therefore alpha is equal to pi by 2. Now the value of alpha is 3.14 and therefore this will be 3.14. So now therefore we can now say that the interpretation that d alpha dt is equal to 1 by 1 plus t square is wrong, since this is not a indefinite integration, this is a definite integration. So therefore d alpha by dt is not basically equal to 1 by 1 plus t square. Since not 1 by 1 but if we now differentiate alpha by dt, so we'll basically get what we'll get. It is not in terms of alpha, so we'll get, if we differentiate it by dt, is basically equal to 0. So therefore option 1 is incorrect. Option 1 is incorrect. Now in option 2 it has been said that alpha is a rational number. Now we know that pi is not a rational number. So if pi is not a rational number, then pi by 2, which is equal to alpha, is also not a rational number. So therefore option 2 is also false. Now log of pi by 2, this will be equal to something like this is not equal to 1, since log of alpha is only equal to 1 if alpha is equal to e, and pi by 2 is not equal to, so log of pi by 2 is not equal to 1. So therefore option 3 is also false. Now sine of pi by 2 is equal to 1. So therefore option A, which says that sine of alpha is equal to 1, is correct. So option 4 is the only correct option. So today we have solved question number 68 from the June 2018 CSIR UGC NET paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos, more solutions and content. Thank you very much.